Hello and welcome back to Mind Muscle Memory. Do you have a situation where you feel like you need to cleanse a little bit more your digestive system and add a little bit more roughage into your digestive system? Well, I have a very awesome natural way of doing that. I'm going to bring it forward to you right now. It's the lentils. So lentils are used around the world for the roughage that they have and also the protein that they have. So let's talk about lentils a little bit more in depth here and talk about how they're such a great natural cleansing food, plant-based food. And that's because they have a lot of insoluble fiber. Now our daily recommended amount of dietary fiber is like 25 to 35 grams. Some cultures around the world have a lot more than that. They might have 45, 50 grams of dietary fiber a day, and what we're finding is that is the ultimate for cleansing our digestive system, making sure that from top to bottom, whether it's the holding tank, the stomach, or the small intestine, which is the digestive component, the large intestine, which is reabsorption and pulls out all those nutrients that have been broken down in the small intestine, or the colon, which dehydrates and eliminates the waste. Now the lentils are high in roughage, right? High in insoluble, and they're high in protein. So when we have those with our meal, with our daily, our weekly menu, right? So you want to look at your weekly menu, and lentils should be on your weekly menu because they're going to clean you out naturally. Okay? You don't have to do anything special. You're just eating your breakfast, your lunch, and your dinner. And you make your choice. How do you want them flavored? Do you want them in a soup, right? So many cultures, healthy, vibrant cultures around the world have lentils in the soup, right? We have lentils with our rice, especially like brown rice. You might have a lentil mixture that you'll have on the side of your main course. So in a plant-based diet, you've got to really look at that the insoluble roughage should be about half of your daily intake of dietary fiber, and the soluble or sticky fiber, which especially we will focus on here with the sticky fiber diet and Mind Muscle Memory, to make sure that you can have enough sticky fiber in your holding tank when you eat your meal for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, that it time releases. A slower timed release, it stays there longer, suppresses your appetite. Then, as it goes down into the small intestine, it has a timed release of the nutrition, of the breakdown of the carbohydrates, which are then going to go into glycogen into our muscles, right? So it has a time release, so it keeps the body's insulin levels and blood sugar levels very stable, which makes sure that the insulin doesn't go up and down too far, right? So keep your blood sugars even, have your lentils. Check out your recipes. Let us know what you think about your favorite recipe. And we'll look forward to talking about lentils and the recipes you produce, and also bring forward some of our favorite recipes to you as well. So thank you so much. Miles Betcher here with Mind Muscle Memory. I look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.